Hello everyone and welcome to another class from Geekroid.com. Today's class will be Xmpp and we will be talking. Xmpp stands for Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol. Now this protocol is as following. It allows us to send instant message followed by presence, change our status from away to offline online, group chat, voice and video calls, and send data. Now this protocol is an open source protocol, easily public, you can download and understand. There are several servers implemented XMPP, and also there are fully clients where you can actually uh, like use them. Now some of the features in the clients differs, and some of the servers have extra features than the others, but the core of XMPP is what we mentioned. Now the XMPP technology has five main things, which is the core, which allow us to stream XMPP, the jingle, allow us to send files, video calls, and other stuff. The multi-user chat, it's a group chat basically. The PubSub give us the notification that we received something. The BOSH allow HTTP to bind with XMPP. Now, how does the core work? It sends data in an XML format. Now, I have here examples of XML. It says it's basically a tree. So if you wrote HTML before, the tree is the same. You just said head and you close the tag here. Now this head, what does it contain? Let's say it contains message from WES to Geekroid, and this is the data. Now these tags differs based on namespace. So let's give another example. You can say banana, apple. It's Apple Geekroid, orange, WES. It's like from, and data. We give it a watermelon tag. Now, this protocol works close to HTTP. It's a client-server protocol, but there are two differences. One difference is the connection doesn't die. The second difference is we push data. Now remember, in WebSocket we says we pull data. In XMPP we push data to the server. So we have here below a list of fully implemented clients. Works on Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, and iOS. Here are public servers. You can join one or create one. Download your own server on any machine for your own company. And let's go ahead and check this bot. Now this bot does one thing. It checks for specific message and replies back. So let's go through the code quickly. Now we imported few libraries, request, system, utilities, and this is the core of our app, Node XMPP. Now if you go to hipchat.com and you created an account, then you will have this XMPP configuration. Just paste it here, your username, password, which room ID, which room nickname, blah blah blah. It's there, just paste it. And here's the good stuff. We created our client, XMPP client. We name it as the JID, the whatever they're giving here, plus we add /bot to it, so we announce that this is a bot, it's not an actual user. Here we can log all the data. Whoever send message on a chat room, we just paste it in our console. Now once I'm connected, we set the message to available, we send it to everyone, and we join a chat room. The chat room that we says. Now here's important thing, the XML/NS. Now we mentioned here those tags. It's not actually banana, watermelon, or apple, or even head to, from, or data. It's something else. Now where do we get these heads? It's from that link. Jabber.org has the namespace of the XML that is required by the XMPP. You just simply include it here and the server will analyze everything for you. Okay, so we first set the interval so that our connection doesn't die. And here's the important stuff. Now the message, it's called stanza. Whenever we receive a stanza, it means that we have someone send a message. Now first we check the message. Does it have any errors? If it has error, just log it. Write it in the console. Now here we ignore every message that is sent, or every message that it's sent in and it's not a room chat message. Like if we have a multiple chat rooms and they're all sending messages, we only need our room and one message. So let's check it. If we have this message, which is exclamation mark weather, followed by something, we go ahead and hit Yahoo API and query it for the weather forecast, given this is the number that we're looking for. Now it will reply back with a JSON file. As I mentioned before, JSON is JavaScript object notation, and I gave already examples. Take the response, get the title, get the condition temperature, and add degrees. And then here, add also condition text. And then send it back to the room ID here on message. Send it back to the room ID, followed by the type as a group chat. So basically, if I sent it instead of weather, hint, it should go back and check it somewhere, an API for example, or a server, another server, get a JSON file and replies back with the hint that I'm asking for. Maybe we can says here help or error. It means I have an error of this number, let's say error 404. So it replies back that error 404 is a page not found on the website, or error 302, it means redirecting to another page. You can use this in any chat for, let's say, error handling or error codes. Let's say error 0xb something. So I don't know what's this error, and it's an application that the company implemented. So with this, I sent it error, and this code, it tells you a troubleshooting guide. So it's good to have such thing like an auto reply mechanism. So basically that's it. This client is working perfectly. Now, if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to drop it in the class comment and start a thread. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. See you next class.